Morning guys, this is Maxwell Hennon at MarineMax of Rogers, and behind me I'm showcasing our brand new 2023 Nautique S25. Beautiful boat. We've got the jet black hull along with the anthracite metal flake, really sparkles on the water. Great looking boat. We've got our integrated docking lights right up front there, and if we move to the rear of the boat, we've got our NSS surf system right here. We've got underwater lights, and we also have the steering assist, which is a bi-directional thruster. Makes it easy for maneuvering around the water. Right down here underneath the surf pipe, we've got the NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running Surface. Basically helps the pitch of the boat come down when you're surfing. Let's move up to the inside of the boat. We got a lot to see. All right guys, we are inside the S25 now. A couple things I want to point out while we're in the stern here. Right here is a tow point that pneumatically pops up for you. So you can also stow it. Really nice feature. We've also got the rear facing seats along with the cup holders. And if you look down on the port side here, we've also got the transom stereo remote. Colors in this boat are going to be the Mojave Brown along with the Jet Black True Weave. Really great color combination, as you can see with the lights. Really just stunning color. We've got a nice big walkway here with easy steps into the boat. We've got the rear storage compartments here on the port and starboard side. It does have the supplemental 250 pounds per each side additional ballast. So you got 500 pounds of additional ballast. Really nice for creating that big wake. Right here we've got a rear facing seat so you can watch the surfers or wakeboarders, and then on either side also got seats that fold up so everybody can see the action behind the boat. All right, moving on to the interior of the boat here, we've got the interior cushions on hinges. Really nice feature of the Nautique. Very sturdy, durable. We've also got a Nautique cooler along with a sea deck on top of it. Really nice fit and finish. Garbage disposal here on this side. We have the jet black tower along with the JL audio system and the strapless board racks. Really easy to move these to the outside of the boat. We've also got the overhead lights here so you can see what you're doing inside when it turns to dusk. You'll follow me in. We've got really great storage capacity underneath the passenger seat here with the lighted interior. Inside the glove box here, we've got the JL audio head unit along with a passenger heater, and you've got your USB plug-ins for charging your phone and whatnot. On the driver's side here, we've got this great seat with cutouts so that you can turn and face your friends and family. Take's really thought of everything. We've got a nice phone holder here, steering wheel, and this is the Link Panorama screen right here. We've got different color choices so you can change your RGB colors. You basically control everything, all surf settings from here. It's touchscreen, as well as you can use the dial for everything you need. We've got 5 hotkeys here, which Nautique has determined are the most important and most used things that you will have, along with your throttle here. You got your ski mirror, and you've got a very spacious front bow with great seating and storage underneath. Another great function is the wind dam door right here. Slides into place and close the windshield. So if you're running on those colder days, you're not going to feel as much wind. That is the S25 here at our Rogers, Minnesota location. If you guys will like and subscribe, greatly appreciate it. Thank you.